Burgers aren't the problem. It's not the bun, it's not the sauce, and it's definitely not the cheese. The real problem? Thinking you can't have this and eat in a way that supports your goals. So today, we're making a Big Mac, but one that's lighter, higher in protein, and surprisingly simple to make at home. Starting with the patties, we're going to take some extra lean ground beef and mix that with a little bit of Worcestershire, dehydrated onion, and salt and pepper. Split that into 4 2-ounce balls, then drop them onto a hot, lightly oiled pan and smash them thin, to about a 1/4 inch to be exact. They will shrink, so try to make them a little wider than your bun to start. Throw on some slices of low-fat American cheese, and let that steam up and melt. Now for the special sauce, we're swapping mayo for low-fat blended cottage cheese. Stir that with some ketchup, sweet relish, a dash of vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Give it a taste, adjust if you need, then set that aside. And for the buns, we're gonna need a full one for each, plus the bottom half of another for that classic middle layer. I just shaved the top of the middle slice so it sits flat before toasting them all up. And now the best part. To assemble, start with a spoonful of sauce on the bottom bun, some shredded lettuce, and your patty with cheese. Sprinkle on diced white onion, and a couple dill pickle chips. Then comes the middle bun. Now just repeat sauce, lettuce, second patty, more onions, and pickles. Top it all off with the crown of the bun and give it a gentle press. And if you're looking to lighten things up even more, skip the bun entirely and use a lettuce wrap instead. It cuts around 130 calories per burger. You'll lose a little bit of protein from the bun, but it's still super satisfying and delicious. And that's it! A better for you Big Mac with all the layers and all the flavors for 415 calories and 35 grams of protein. Let us know in the comments what fast food item you want us to recreate next, and don't forget to subscribe to Noom for more easy recipes.